Good morning. It's the best thing on YouTube. Rah! So guys, I'm just sick as a dog. I went bowling this morning. I didn't do so well. Usually I get like a 200, but since my throat was hurting a lot this morning, can't concentrate, and my ball kept on going right in the gutter. Didn't want to crush, so it made me mad. So I used my elbow. So yeah. So I'm watching now. Yeah, so I'm together dog right now. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so I'm together dog right now. You like some?